Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to start our third chapter. How much can you carry? Before I start chapter, children, tell me when your parents come from market and they bring for your packets of toffees, chocolate, biscuit and wafers, what do? You run and take those packets from their hands and start eating, isn't it? Why? Because you love eating them and also because you can hold these things. They are light in weight for you. But can you carry a sack of rice or a bag full of vegetables? No. Why? Because they are heavy for you. So children, today we are going to learn a new lesson. How much can you carry? Before we get started, let us see the short story about a man and his clever donkey. Open the page number of textbook 18. 1818. Now look at the picture. The name of the story is The Clever Donkey and His Heavy Sack. Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on his back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sacks felt very light. The donkey was delighted. Why? Because he was not carrying the load, which is heavy. Can you guess why the sack felt lighter? Can you guess? Tell me why the sack felt lighter. Because the salt got dissolved in the water. So the donkey felt the sack very light. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Okay. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip again. This time, Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. His thought in his mind, हाँ, let me teach it a lesson. अभी उसको एक सबक सिखाता हूँ. Next day, Sandesh put sacks of woolen clothes in the place of salt. अभी संदेश ने क्या किया? Salt की गोनी के प्लेस पे क्या रखा उसने? वुलन क्लोथ्स की गोनी रखी. Now what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river? अभी क्या होगा आप बता सकते हो? वो जैसे ही रिवर के अंदर डिप करेगा तो क्या होगा? उसकी गोनी भारी हो जाएगी और डोंकी उठा नहीं सकेगा. Can you answer this? Okay. Tell me children. During a winter season, your mother washes your clothes. आपकी मम्मी क्या करती है? कपड़े धोती है, बराबर. The woolen clothes. Are you able to carrying them when they are wet? वो जब गीले होते हैं तो आप उठा सकते हो? नहीं ना. Why? Because they are very heavy for you. Yes ना. Same things happen with the donkey. Donkey के साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ. The sack which it is carrying becomes heavy because the woolen clothes absorb water from the river, so it felt very heavy to the donkey. Okay, आपको ये story समझ में आई? I hope you understand this story. Next, page number 19. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. He needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to help him, but still Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell me why? Okay, circle the correct answer. In the seesaw, the heaviest side always goes down and the lighter side rises up. हमेशा seesaw पे heaviest side goes down यानी कि नीचे की तरफ जाती है और lighter side क्या होती है? ऊपर की तरफ जाती है यानी कि side rises up. So Raju is heavier as his side of the seesaw towards the ground. So Raju is heavier than Rani. Okay. Now let's see who comes to help Raju. Raju and Rani enjoy the ride. Okay. Aslams come to help them. Aslam comes and sat on Rani's side and look, the seesaw is going down towards Aslam's and Rani's side. What does it mean? Does it mean they are heavier than Raju. So now tell me children, is Raju heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam together? Yes, Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. So children, they are still not able to enjoy the ride. अभी फिर से वो लोग अभी वो ride enjoy नहीं कर सकते, तो अभी क्या करेंगे? So Raju gets an idea. He says, I have an idea. Let me keeping my bag with me. मैं अपना बैग रख सकता हूँ यहाँ पे, तो बराबर हो जाएगा. On my side. So Raju keeps the bag on his side and sees seesaw and see, wow, seesaw is balanced now with almost equal weight on both sides. They are now happily enjoy the ride. Okay. Now children, I hope you understand the difference between heavier and lighter. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे हम एक एक्सरसाइज देख लेते हैं, heavier और lighter. Which of the two things will make a seesaw go down? Okay. अभी यहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में हम देख सकते हैं वाटरमेलन है और साइड में ऑरेंज है. ओके. वाटरमेलन का वेट ज़्यादा है और ऑरेंज का कम रहता है. ओके. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? विच ऑफ द टू थिंग्स विल मेक अ सीसॉ गो डाउन. अभी यहाँ पे ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ हम रखेंगे तो सीसॉ बैलेंस होगा. ओके. फिर से मैं रिपीट करती हूँ. विच ऑफ द टू थिंग्स विल मेक द सीसॉ गो डाउन. लुक एट द पिक्चर. ओके. तो हम यहाँ पे एरो उन लोगों ने दिया ही है. वाटरमेलन रखेंगे तो सीसॉ क्या होगा? गोज़ डाउन. ओके. नेक्स्ट, ड्रॉ अ लाइन टू मैच द हैवियर वन. यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में है ही 20 पेज नंबर पे. आपको ये एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करके मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे होमवर्क सेंड करना है. ओके. ये आपकी वर्कशीट है. आप वर्कशीट समझ के ही इसको सॉल्व करिए. ओके. ड्रॉ अ लाइन टू अ मैच द हैवियर वन. ओके. ड्रॉ अ लाइन टू मैच द हैवियर वन. आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है हैवियर वन को, बराबर. हैवियर वन के साइड पे आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. नाउ उसके नीचे हमने क्या दिया है? कलर द वन विच इज़ लाइटर. आपको यहाँ पे कलर करना है जो चीज़ वेट में कम हो, यानी कि लाइट हो, बराबर. तो यहाँ पे लाइट वेट कौन सा है? ए वाले में कौन सा है? टेनिस बॉल. और सेकंड वाले में कौन सा है? ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. ओके. तो सो चिल्ड्रन, you have to solve this exercise in your textbook. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care.